Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. We have a very special bus. It's a 1989 Bluebird Wanderlodge, fully appointed, a little over 132,000 miles. I got Andy, the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Andy?
It has a Detroit diesel 92.
Yeah?
It just got 5 new batteries, went in for service. They replaced a couple of the fuel lines.
Cool.
Said everything was okay. They couldn't find anything the matter with it.
So it's ready to drive to Alaska.
Yeah, just about. And it's like you said before, the instrument panel looks like you're in an airplane.
Really
Tells you
does.
everything that's going on, and self-leveling. Got everything in it.
Beautiful. I think the whole body is made out of aluminum, so you don't have to worry about rust or anything.
Yeah.
Got the big 22.5-inch tires. They look brand new.
It's even got there's a switch inside that takes the pressure off one set of wheels. So if you're trying to get into a real spot, you're not wrecking the tire.
Wow. Genius. It's got a big awning outside, awnings for each window. There's a monster rack up top. Go to the game and set up shop up there. It's a great view. It's got the Detroit diesel 92. Also has a lot of extra fuel filters and oil filters and stuff like that that are included. Monster generator. I love the dual spotlights on the side for parking and getting into your spot. And look at those monster spotlights up there too. It's got a horn that plays all kinds of crazy songs. So this is when they were built. Gorgeous. Very well appointed. It's got a brand new air conditioning unit here. Just put that in. And look at this dash. Jeez. 132,642 miles. Silver edition. Allison Transmission. Fire it up.
That's all for
Oh my
the
God.
diesel generator.
Wow. Look, altimeter? What?
Just makes you want to go mountain climbing.
Oh my God. This top area is just for the generator? Wow. Well, let's fire it up. The trailer brake and everything, huh? These curtains are automatic. Go by a switch. Yeah, very cool. Dinette. Got a dual sink. There's also a small sink under here. This feels like Corian or something like that. This converts into a bed. Lots of storage. We have all the owner's manuals and everything here, including recent receipts and everything. Microwave oven, little ice maker, 2-burner stove, on propane. Refrigerator also runs on electric and propane. Big closet, storage there too. Everything is lockable. Lots of little cool drawers and stuff. Very beautifully done. What size bed is this? Queen? I think it's a queen. Oh, a little TV back here. Thermostat. Bathroom. Sink. Shower. Oh Oh my God, and a little tub. All gold fixtures too. What size bed is it?
I believe it's queen.
Queen, right? Oh, you turn the generator on?
Yes.
Cool. Let's go check it out. Generators up front. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 200 photos I took today on our website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.